So I had a baby girl about 4 months ago, and she basically wants to be held all day long, which also means that I don't have much time or energy left for myself. And for my mental health, I still try to make it to the gym whenever someone's able to watch her. And so cooking decent meals just hasn't been happening. That's when I tried Fuel Meals. They send fully cooked meals that you just heat up in the microwave. So instead of skipping meals or grabbing junk when I'm tired, I can have something ready in minutes that actually lines up with my macros. And so now that I've been using it for a few months, I've got a pretty good sense of where it helps. And so I'll walk you through the pricing, the food quality, how delivery works, and the downsides I noticed. So you'll know if it's worth it for you. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. For those who don't know, Fuel Meals is a meal delivery service, but it's not like HelloFresh or Blue Apron where you're sent ingredients to cook. Everything here is already prepared and portioned out for you and designed for athletes and bodybuilders. The menu is actually pretty broad. You've got more than 50 entries to choose from. Plus, a few breakfasts like protein pancakes and egg white scrambles, snacks like brownies, and proteins you can order by the pound if you'd rather put meals together yourself. And depending on which plan you're on, you'll see options tuned more toward performance, weight loss, or muscle gain. Now, in terms of their plans, Fuel Meals has 4 main ones: bestsellers, performance, weight loss, and muscle gain. And with each of those, you can choose 7, 10, 14, or 20 meals a week. If you're on the bestsellers plan, the 7-meal option comes out to just under $60 with a discount. 10 meals is around $80. 14 meals is around $110, and 20 meals is a little over $150. On the performance plan, pricing is really similar, just under $60 for 7 meals, around $80 for 10, about $110 for 14, and around $150 for 20. The weight loss plan is in the same ballpark. 7 meals is just under $60, 10 is around $80, 14 is about $112, and 20 is about $154. Now, the muscle gain is a little higher. It's closer to $60 for around 7. And on all the other plans, pricing is similar. It's a little more or a little less depending on which ones you choose. Now, if you don't want to lock into a specific plan, they also let you order a la carte. Those run closer to $16 to $24 a meal, and you've got to order at least 7. Or you can buy proteins, carbs, and veggies by the pound. For example, rice is about $12, flank steak is around $24. They've got other things like bison burgers, shrimp, and salmon as well. Also, by the pound items are pre-cooked and unseasoned. So overall, the plans are definitely cheaper per meal, especially once you go up to 14 or 20 meals a week. But the a la carte and bulk options are nice if you want more flexibility. If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel. Okay, so most of their meals fall in that 400 to 600 calorie range, and they're all on the higher protein side. If you want more structure, they also set up full day plans. For women, the weight loss option is about 1,500 calories with 150 grams of protein, while the muscle gain plan is closer to 2,500 calories with around 190 grams of protein. On the men's plan, the weight loss is set to about 1,750 calories, and the muscle gain goes up to roughly 2,700 calories. So it's simple to follow if you want something consistent, but the macros are fixed. You don't really get to adjust carbs or fats around much. For most people, that's fine, but if you like to change your numbers day to day, this is where it can feel a little limiting. Now, the way shipping works is pretty straightforward. Fuel Meals preps everything on Monday, and then it usually shows up by Tuesday or Wednesday. When mine arrived, it had been sitting outside for a few hours in about 70-degree weather, and the ice packs were still frozen solid. The food was cold and fresh when I brought it in. They pack everything in a foam-insulated box, and the meals come in black plastic trays sealed with a vacuum film. That film actually helps keep things fresh and stops the food from moving around in transit. And if you want, you can even store them in the freezer because of that sealing. The box basically just had the meals and ice packs, nothing extra inside. Simple, which I didn't mind. So preparing the food is literally as easy as it gets. You keep the film on, pop the tray in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, and then let it sit for a minute before peeling it back. The only thing to watch out for is the steam. It comes out hot, so just be careful when you open it up. For me, this was where fuel meals really helped. Some days I'm running on no sleep, holding my baby most of the time, and the last thing I want to do is cook. Being able to have a hot meal ready in minutes meant I could actually sit down and eat something decent instead of just grabbing snacks. Taste-wise, I'd say most of the meals are solid. The chicken quesadilla was my favorite, and there was a pineapple pepper stir-fry that I liked more than I expected. You can always add a little sauce or quickly pan-fry things if you want to mix it up, but even straight out of the microwave, they were good enough that I kept ordering. But of course, like any service, Fuel Meals is not perfect, and so I did notice that the menu leans really heavy on meat. They do have a few breakfast options, but if you're vegetarian or vegan, there's basically nothing here for you. The other thing is the macros are set, so you can't really tweak carbs or fats the way you might if you're following your own plan. For me, that was fine. I just wanted consistent meals, but if you're big on custom numbers, it could feel a bit limiting. Overall, I'd say Fuel Meals is best if you want high protein meals that are ready fast and you don't want to spend time cooking or meal prepping. It's not the most customizable and it's definitely meat heavy, but if your priority is convenience and staying consistent with your nutrition, it really does the job. So hopefully this gave you a clear idea of how it works and whether it might be a good fit for you. If it did, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. And if you've got any questions about my experience, feel free to drop those in the comments. I'll do my best to answer as many as I can. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.